Hi, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to have a video on maintenance of a single dish spectrographic polishing machine. I am Sandeep Sharma from Magnum Opus International. So basically friends, the problems that we face or the customers face in this type of machine about the maintenance is twofold. One is electrical part and second is the mechanical part. So first let us take the electrical part. If I am facing problem, if there are troubles that I am not able to switch on the machine or operate the machine, in that case I need to switch off the power and open the panel first. Okay, so open the panel, these two bolts. If these three LEDs are not on even after supplying the power, first thing is this machine operates on 3-phase power, 440 volt AC, 50 Hz frequency, right? So if after supplying the power and switching on, if you don't see these three LED glowed, you need to put this on a off position again, open this panel, check these three fuse links first. 16 ampere fuses are there. Okay, now once you check if there is a problem with the fuse link, replace the fuse link, again switch on the machine. These three should glow. If once this glow, put this on the on position. This is for the on of machine and this is to stop the machine. This is to switch on, to stop. Okay, and in case if there is when these three things are already glowing, these two switches are also okay, and there is some problem, then you need to check with the contactor and the relay. There could be problem with these two things. We need to remove these. The contactor that we are using is MNX series from L&T, MNX 9, and the relay is MN2 type. Okay, so these are the only problems in the electrical part. Then quickly we come back to the mechanical part. So what are the problems that we face in mechanical part? One is the vibration, because the motor that we are using in this machine is 3000 RPMs. So sometime customer complain that there is vibration while they polish the sample. Okay, so what we need to do is, first, for removing the vibration problem, the best solution that is available is we should have a foundation bolting. See, the 4 points for foundation bolts are given. You can show this side also. So these two and those two, these 4 points, you can have foundation bolting and tighten the bolt. That will solve the foundation and the vibration problems forever. Second is, if you do not have, suppose you are working with this machine on second floor, third floor, where it is not possible for you to have the foundation boltings. In that case, what you can do is you can take a rubber mat of 25 by 25 inches and thickness should be 3 to 5 mm. So that is sufficient. You can place this machine on that mat. That will also solve your vibration problems. Okay, now third thing is, if the polishing quality of the sample you find that it is not good, so it is time to replace the paper dish. We need to open this section. We need to open this and replace the paper dish. Okay, again this also you need to remove. And this Okay, so then you have to take off this and remove this paper, replace it with a new one. See here, because I have opened this, I just want to show you one reason for the vibration could be if this main dish, this main nut, this get loosen. So you need to tighten this so that there are, you can just check, there are no jerks. Replace it again, clamp it back, and you are ready to go. So that's all we have in this session of the maintenance of a single dish spectrographic polishing machine. I am Sandeep Sharma from Magnum Opus International. If you like our videos, be with us, follow our channel, subscribe to it. We will be coming with new videos on these type of technical machines again in near future. Thank you and bye bye.